Safespill floors, aka ILDFA, are designed to withstand day-to-day hangar life. Accidentally dropping a tool such as a wrench from a wing is not a problem. The natural elasticity of aluminum in combination with the hollow structure of the floor profiles makes it very impact resistant. Heavier objects might create a more significant dent. However, none of these dents have any effect on the fire protection performance of the floor. Additionally, because the marine-grade alloy used for Safespill floors does not need coating to protect against corrosion, there is no need to touch up the dent or scratch. For aesthetic purposes, end users might choose to have the dented floor profiles replaced. This is an easy process. Safespill would send a 2 to 3 person crew to replace the damaged profile together with the needed replacement floor profiles. The replacement process takes 2 to 3 hours and requires the assistance of a forklift. Safespill service managers will work with the end user to schedule the process during a time that it doesn't impact hangar operations.